Whatever am I doing in the closet? Well, I am going to try playing with some DIY light filters I created using materials I found around my house to make this light show I'm going to present to you. So let's see how it goes.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. We'll sing a cheer for another year. It's a happy birthday to you. You live in a zoo. You live in a zoo. You live in a zoo. You live in a zoo.
Wow, magic! Let's take a look at some of the materials I used. So come on, let's go to the studio and see how the magic was created. All right, with some simple tools like my cell phone and a basic flashlight, I was able to create some transparent colored saran wrap. This one was actually made with a pasta box. It already had the window. You could use an envelope from the mail. Sometimes mailers come with these transparent windows so you can see the address. Well, I just took some of my favorite colored Sharpies and colored a design over the saran wrap or the plastic. And then using my handheld flashlight, I was able to project color onto the wall by shining the light through the transparent film. So there's all sorts of things that you can find around your house, including regular old Scotch tape. Scotch tape is also really easy to do, and you can make smaller transparent windows. I can't find the one that I used right now. But here's another technique. You can cut out or punch out a shape in a piece of light cardstock from like a cereal box packaging. And this was what cast the star shape. Let's see if we can show you the star shape that was on the wall. The smaller the shape, the better, and I'm not quite seeing it. There it is. You have to be able to project the light just right through it. All right, so with some simple things you have around your house, like plastic bags, saran wrap, mailers from that have the clear windows, the Sharpies, you can start to create your own translucent, really fun lighting effects to create your own music video. Think about the color choices so that you can have more symbolic colors. I used the rainbow because it was a happy birthday song, and the rainbow to me is happy. So consider your tools and materials you have available and have lots of fun. Bye. Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you, it's easier if you have multiple hands to help you with this project, because if you want to do multiple lighting effects, it helps if you have someone holding one flashlight, well maybe you're doing a different flashlight, and the more people you can get involved, the more fun you'll have. I found my cellophane tape. So I just wanted to show you real quick how easy it is to make a covering for your cell phone. You want to make sure your tape is double-sided so that the sticky part of the tape is not on the lens of your camera, your phone's camera. So you take sticky side and sticky side and stick the two sticky sides together. Fold the top around to the back, and then you can color right over that tape. And now with your phone, and here's your little camera's lens, you can just stick your colored translucent tape right on top so that when you turn on your light, it will look like it's yellow. See that? Not bad. Oh yeah, and I forgot. You should try experimenting with lots of things around your house, not just things that are plastic. Have you ever had a clear cup and you've been painting with the water and how the water changes colors? Well, what about dyeing Easter eggs? And you put that little food dye into the water and the vinegar, and then you can see, well, what happens if you shine a light through that glass, will it project color onto your wall? And then what happens if you create waves with that water? Oh my goodness, I'm full of ideas. What if you have a clear baking pan and you shine a light through it and you're able to move the tray back and forth to create a rippling effect? I wonder if that would show up on your wall at all. Or on a table maybe, so you can film through it onto a table. Anyway, you know what's so much fun about these projects? You get to invent your own tools and materials and methods and experiment like crazy. So have so much fun with your lighting effects, and I can't wait to see what you guys all come up with.